Successive multiplication for fractional part conversion. Steps to be followed. Step number 1. Multiply the given fractional decimal number by the base r. Note down the carry generated in this multiplication as the MSD. Step 3. Multiply only the fractional part of the product in step 2 by the base and note down the carry as the next bit MSD. Step 4. Repeat step 2 and 3 up to the end. The last carry will represent the LSD of the equivalent, that is the converted number. So let's take an example. Question is convert decimal number 0.42 to the base 10 into binary. So first let's see the step. Step number 1 is multiply the given fractional decimal number by the base r. So what is the fractional number? Solution. Fractional number is 0.42. We will multiply it by base r. What is the base? Binary number, base is 2. So we will multiply it by 2. What do we get? 0.42 into 2 is 0.84. Okay. Step 2 says note down the carry generated in this multiplication as the MSD. So what is the carry generated? Carry generated is this part, which is nothing but 0. So you note down the carry generated and write it as the MSD. Step 3, multiply only the fractional part of the product in step 2 by the base and note down the carry in the next bit. So what is the fractional part? Fractional part is 0.84. So we will write here 0.84. We will multiply it by radix or the base, that is 2. So 0.84 into 2 is 1.68. Again we will write the carry, which is this, that is nothing but 1. Again we will only multiply the fractional part, that is 68. So 0.68 into 2, which is 0.68 into 2 is 1.36. Again, what is the carry? 1. And what is the decimal part? 0.6. So 0.36 into 2. 0.36 into 2 is 0.72. Carry generated is 0. Decimal part is 72. 0.72 into 2 will be 0.72 into 2 is 1.44. My carry is 1. I will stop here because I need only up to 5 numbers, 5 bits. This can go on and on, but we will only find up to 5. So my step number 5 says repeat step 2 and 3 up to the end. The last carry will represent the LSD of the equivalent. So what is the LSD of the equivalent? The last carry, and the last carry is 1. So this is the LSD and this is the MSD. So 0.42 to the base 10 will be 0.01101 to the base 2. Let's see the next sum. Let's see question number 2. Question 2 says convert 0.8 to the base 10 to equivalent binary number. Equivalent binary number. How do you convert this? Again the same procedure. Solution. First we will multiply the given fractional number by its base or radix. Since it is a binary number, the base or radix will be 2. So we will multiply this by 2. What do we get? 0.8 into 2 is 1.6. We will write the carry. Carry generated is 1. And we will only take the fractional part, that is 0.6, and again multiply it by the base, that is 2. So 0.6 into 2 is 1.2. Again we will write the carry 1. We will multiply it by only the fractional part, 0.2 into 2. 0.2 into 2 is 0.4. Again we will write the carry 0. We will multiply it only by 0.4 into 2. 0.4 into 2 is 0.8. So again here we will write 0 and take the fractional part. So 0.8 into 2 is 1.6. So you get 1. So you will stop over here because this number and this number has repeated. So this is what, according to step number 5, this is nothing but our LSD. So we will write here that this is our LSD. So 0.8 to the base 10 will be 0.11001 to the base 2. Next sum. Question number 3. Convert 0.6234 to the base 10 into equivalent octal number. So again we will write the number first, that is 0.6234. Multiply it by the base or the radix. We have been given octal number, so we know that the base for octal is 8. So we multiply it by 8. So 0.6234 into 8 is 4.9872. We will write the carry. Carry is 4. And then we will multiply the fractional part. 0.9872 into 8. 0.9872 into 8 is 7.8976. Again the carry generated is 7 and this we will take as 0.8976 into 8. 0.8976 into 8 is 7.1808. Again carry is 7, fractional part is 0.1808 into the base, that is 8. 0.1808 into 8 is 1.4464. Carry is 1 and fractional part is 0.4464 into 8. So 0.4464 into 8 is 3.5712. So carry is 3. We can stop here. So what is the final answer? We get 0.6234 to the base 10 corresponds to 0.47713 to the base 8. This is nothing but my LSD and this is nothing but my MSD. Let's solve one last sum for this concept. Question 4. Convert the decimal fraction 0.122 to the base 10 to hex number. Again, first step is to write the fractional part and multiply it by the base or the radix. For hex number, we know that the base is 16. So we multiply this by 16. What do we get? 0.122 into 16 is 1.952. My carry generated is 1 and my fractional part is 0.952 into 16. Again, 0.952 into 16 is 15.232. So my carry is 15 and we know 15 corresponds to letter F. Fractional part is 0.232 into 16. 0.232 into 16 will be 3.712. Again, carry generated is 3. Fractional part is 0.712 into 16. 0.712 into 16 is 11.392. So this is 11. We know 11 corresponds to letter B. So you'll write your B. Then you have fractional part as 0.392 into 16. 0.392 into 16 will be 6.272. So 6 is the carry. We can stop over here. So we get answer as 0.122 to the base 10 corresponds to 0.1 F 3B 6 to the base 16.